Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As my specialization is zoology, most of the time I get a query from students, ma'am, what can we do after doing the zoology? So in this video I have discussed about the careers in the zoology, but ultimately we must know what is the zoology. So I hope most of you know that zoology is one of the most popular branch in science which involves the study of animal and their biological processes. Zoology courses are offered at graduate level as well as the postgraduate. You will find the doctorate course also in the zoology after completing your post graduation. Now, what eligibility is required to take admission in the zoology subject? If you want to take admission into the undergraduate program, you must have minimum eligibility 12th pass in science stream, and in 12th also you must have subject PCB, that is physics, chemistry and biology in your 12th standard. Now when we talk about the PG course, that is the postgraduate program, so you should have BSc and BSc in the zoology subject. Now it is not necessary that you should have all 6 units of zoology, as our Mumbai University is offering program of 6 complete unit and 3 units. So if you have at least one major subject zoology, you are eligible to take admission in MSc zoology. Now those who have passed BSc BA in medical and allied medical sciences, biosciences, life sciences, they are also eligible to apply for MSc zoology. When the postgraduate complete, then after the postgraduate program, if you are interested in further studies and wants to go for the doctorate program, that is PhD, so that time you must have minimum 55% in your MSc. So MSc zoology, and most of the university have, like our Mumbai University is having the eligibility criteria, the candidate must be PET qualified. Now entrance exam, when we talk about, when you are interested to take BSc course, so there is no such entrance exam, but every college releases their cutoff list. Then when we talk about the MSc, so certain colleges have the MSc entrance if they have the specialized MSc, because it is not like that zoology, directly zoology subject you will have MSc zoology have many branches. So few things which we are going to discuss in this video only. So if you are interested doing MSc, so certain colleges or certain autonomous colleges or courses, they have the entrance exam for MSc too. Like for example, TIFR is having MSc entrance exam. Now we will talk about the admission for the PhD program, that is the doctorate program. It is based on the entrance test conducted nationally, sometime university. As I gave you example before, PhD University of Mumbai criteria is minimum PET qualified, or you must be qualified the NET or the SET, that is the national eligibility test or the state eligibility test. Some popular entrance tests are CSIR NET, then TIFR, ICAR, DBT entrance, etc. GATE is also there now. Now what are the specialization? Specialization means you have completed your plain BSc in the zoology, and after that you want to do the masters. So simply you can go to the biomedical sciences, ecology and evolutionary biology, animal behavior and neurobiology, cell developmental biology, then general zoology. General zoology also have many courses in that, genetics and marine biology. Now we will discuss about the branches in the zoology. We have the morphology, which is based on the external structure of the living organism. Anatomy, which is the study of the internal organs. Physiology is working mechanism of different part of body. Cytology means study of cells, structure and function. Histology, study of the tissue. Genetics, study of transmission of character from one generation to the next generation. Then ecology, study of interrelationship between living organism and its environment. Then we have taxonomy, which deals with the study of identification, classification and nomenclature of the living organism. We have embryology, study of development of embryos. Then we have paleontology, study of fossils. Ethology, animal behavior. Endocrinology, endocrine system is hormone, it is somewhere related to the hormones, so study of structure and function of the endocrine system. Gerontology is aging. Nowadays it is very helpful for makeup and all. Then arthrology, study of joints. Osteology, study of bones. Chondrology, cartilages. Then myology or sarcology, study of the muscles. Then cardiology, heart diseases and functions. Angiology, angiology means study of blood vessels and the lymph vessels. Rhinology, study of nose surgery, and also before that we must have the knowledge of nose. Then trichology, study of hairs, this is also a very emerging field nowadays. Odontology, study of teeth. Oncology, cancer. Hematology, blood. Dermatology, skin. Calology, human beauty. Then craniology, skull. Pedology, soil. Then limnology is about study of the water. Ichthyology, fishes. Ornithology, birds. Mammalogy, mammals. Herpetology, reptiles. Orpheology, snakes. Zoology, lizards. Entomology, insects. Entomology also comprise of economic importance of the insects, which includes the sericulture, apiculture, honey, and then all these things. These all comprise of that. Not only that, but also it comprise of the pesticide control and all. The helminthology, study of worms. Virology, viruses. Karyology, nucleus. Then hepatology, liver. Enzymology, study of enzymes. Zymology, fermentation. Serology, blood serum. Then gynecology, female reproductive system. Andrology, study of male. Otology, ears. Sonology, hearing. Melanology, skin pigments. Hypnology, sleep. Splanknology, visceral organ. Immunology, defense and resistance to infection. Now this we all have seen what we can study. Now what are the job? See, most of the time after doing the specialization in the zoology, you can start your own business in the beauty, in the field of beauty, aging, hair and all. But apart from there are many jobs. The first job, I love my profession, so we'll say, is the teaching job. You can teach in the school, college, university. Then forest service, as you have a very good knowledge of animals, you can go to the Indian Forest Service, HP Forest Service, various websites you can see on my screen, and many you can Google also. Then pharmaceutical industries you can go. Then you can go into the research can be of government sector, private sector. You can be a discoverer. You can start your tourism, breeding. You can also have job in the same. Then animal husbandry, CIFE, animal care and the food preservation. Not only this, the zoology is a very vast subject, and it have the lots of opportunity. So if you have planned to complete your career and go ahead with the zoology subject, make sure that your future